West Bengal. Right now, do remember that it is the BJP's Bengal blitzkrieg, so to say. Rajnath Singh as well as Smriti Irani addressing a rally over there in Sonarpur in West Bengal. Well, of course, the BJP has sent its stalwarts to campaign in various parts of West Bengal ever since, even as the polls near in the poll-bound state. Smriti Irani, of course, is going to be addressing a road show in Sonarpur in West Bengal. Later in the day, Rajnath Singh, the defense minister, is also expected to be in West Bengal. So, in a sense, the BJP sending all their star campaigners to West Bengal. This, of course, comes just a day after JP Nadda was in West Bengal as well, and he kick-started the manifesto campaign that the BJP has rolled out in this state. The TMC and the BJP in a very strong fight in West Bengal over there. Both parties, of course, getting out their star campaigners. Today, there is Smriti Irani in the state in Sonarpur, where she is likely to address a road show. Thereafter, she will be meeting various party workers and talking to electors in various areas. So in a sense, we are seeing star campaigners across West Bengal from the BJP today. Shrishti now joins me from the site where Smriti Irani is campaigning. Shrishti, give us a sense of what we're expecting today.
तक घर घर तक जाना और लोगों से समझना कि आखिरकार वो क्या चाहते हैं। इसी कड़ी में अब आप उम्मीद लगा लीजिए कि आगे भी इसी तरीके से बीजेपी के तमाम जो बड़े दिग्गज लीडर्स हैं जिनका प्रभाव लोगों पर पड़ा है वो लगातार यहां पर पहुंचते रहेंगे। खबर ये भी है कि उत्तर प्रदेश के सीएम योगी आदित्यनाथ भी यहां पर कुछ दिनों में पहुंच सकते हैं, सभा को संबोधित कर सकते हैं। तो इस तरीके की तमाम बातें लगातार निकलकर सामने आ रही है। अपनी मजबूती दर्ज बीजेपी करा रही है और लगातार बीजेपी का यही दावा है कि भ्रष्टाचार जो चरम पर पहुंचा रहा है ममता बनर्जी सरकार में उसको खत्म किया जाएगा। महिला सम्मान की बात बीजेपी करती रही है और महिलाओं का अपमान लगातार इस सरकार में हुआ। तमाम ऐसे रेप केसेस हुए जिस पर ममता बनर्जी ने कभी भी सवाल नहीं उठाया, कभी भी उन महिलाओं को न्याय नहीं दिया है। तो ये बात लगातार बीजेपी रखती रही है और जनता से अपील करती रही है कि डबल इंजन की सरकार बनवाइए ताकि जो केंद्रीय तमाम योजनाएं लोगों के लिए हैं, आयुष्मान भारत योजना की बात करें, किसान सम्मान निधि की बात करें, तमाम महिलाओं को लेकर जो योजनाएं बनाई गई हैं वो सभी यहाँ पर प्रोवाइड कराकर इंप्लीमेंट कराई जाए। क्योंकि डिजास्टर में भी जो तमाम फंड यहाँ पर रिलीज किया जाता है वो नहीं पहुंच पाता है आम जनता तक, आम लोगों तक उसकी सहूलियत नहीं पहुंच पाती है। इसीलिए डबल इंजन की सरकार बनना यहाँ पर बहुत जरूरी है। ये तमाम बातें, तमाम कोशिशें लगातार बीजेपी कर रही है कि लोगों के जहन में किस तरीके से वो अपनी मजबूती दर्ज कराएं।
Well, of course, Smriti Irani, one of the star campaigners that are in West Bengal today. She is attending the Parivartan Yatra in Kamalgachi in West Bengal. Also, thereafter, we are expecting Rajnath Singh, the defense minister, to also reach there. This comes a day after the BJP actually launched its campaign to launch a manifesto in the state. The BJP has come up with a unique crowd funding sort of a platform where it is inviting suggestions from people from across West Bengal to give them ideas as to what should be there in their manifesto. Do remember that this is essentially an extension of what we've seen the BJP do in the state. It has launched the Parivartan Yatra, 5 phases of the Parivartan Yatra across the state, in a sense asking for people to vote for a change in West Bengal. That has been the primary sort of manifesto that the BJP, or the primary vote-catching slogan that the BJP has had so far, asking for a change in West Bengal. The Parivartan Yatra, we've seen 5 stages of it launched in various constituencies of West Bengal. In fact, they are covering basically all constituencies of the state. Today, a very key day in campaigning for the BJP. We are seeing Smriti Irani over there. We're also expecting to see Rajnath Singh. Amit Shah, of course, the Home Minister, has been in the state repeatedly through this month. We've also seen a host of other star campaigners really in West Bengal so far. Well, Smriti Irani, of course, attending the Parivartan Yatra that we are seeing in West Bengal. The BJP earlier, of course, yesterday launched its manifesto campaign in which is called Sonar Bangla, which essentially sees the BJP putting out suggestion boxes for the people of West Bengal to ask them what is it that they would like to change in the state, what is it that they would like to vote for, and what the BJP essentially is trying to do is to engage various sections of society, asking them to vote for change. We have seen about 5 stages of the campaign that is being rolled out in the state of West Bengal.